Natural Guide for Effective Blood Pressure Support. Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of natural blood pressure support? Well, get excited because today I bring you a comprehensive and informative guide that will help you take control of your blood pressure. Picture this. You're amidst nature, feeling the calming breeze on your face, and your heart is beating steadily. We all aspire for optimal blood pressure, and fortunately, there are natural ways to achieve it. First things first, our diet plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Incorporating fruits and vegetables rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber can work wonders. So grab that juicy apple or slice up some potassium-packed bananas. Next up, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or yoga, can be a game changer. It helps strengthen your heart and arteries, ultimately supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Now it's time to introduce you to herbal teas. These magical brews, including hibiscus tea, green tea, and olive leaf tea, have shown significant potential in naturally supporting blood pressure. So why not swap that regular tea with a healthier alternative? Spice it up. Adding certain spices like turmeric, garlic, and cinnamon to your meals not only enhances the taste but also aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Sprinkle them onto your favorite dishes and reap the benefits. A stress-free life is a blissful life. Managing stress through activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending quality time with loved ones can significantly impact your blood pressure. Don't forget to limit your alcohol intake too. Remember, while these natural approaches have been shown to support healthy blood pressure levels, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Regular monitoring and keeping an eye on your numbers is vital in this journey. So, my amazing viewers, embrace the power of nature and make these simple changes in your life to support effective blood pressure management. Together, we can lead healthier lives, one beat at a time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And remember, stay healthy, stay happy.